CB910 Operation Demo. Wear the proper safety clothing such as gloves, goggles, and uniform. You should not wear necktie, long hair, and loosened clothing. When rotating the tire, the operators should stand beside the machine, and the unauthorized persons should be kept away from the machines. Mount tire. Choose the suitable cone and firmly lock the tire on the main shaft of the wheel balancer. Demonstration of the various balancing modes. Dynamic balancing mode. Use the scale to measure the three parameters of the tire, DIS, BR, and DIA, separately pressing the corresponding keys to input the measured data in the corresponding windows. If you need conversion, press C key to convert the millimeter and inch of the BR and DIA. The default mode of the machine is dynamic mode. Start the machine, and after rotation stops, the left and right windows will display the inside and outside unbalancing values of the tire. Use the balancing scale to get the corresponding weight and separately clip or add to the corresponding inside and outside. When the entire lamps light up, the tire is at the 12 o'clock position, and start the machine again for testing. An unbalancing value should be in a range of balancing accuracy. Static balancing mode operation. Press the conversion key of DYN STA. At this moment, the STA lamp light and the 3 parameters of the tire have just set up, so there's no need to set up again. The machine will automatically calculate the static unbalancing value of the tire. When the entire indication lamps light up, the 12 o'clock position of the tire is the static balancing position. Press the corresponding ALU keys. It will display the modes of ALU 1, ALU 2, and ALU 3. First, adjust the mode to the ALU 1 and start the machine. After stop the rotation, the left and right display will show the unbalancing values of inside and outside of tire. Select the corresponding grams of weight and clip them at the position shown on the picture. Outside, at the corresponding weight at the 12 o'clock position 1.5 inches to the edge of the rim based on B value. Inside, at the corresponding weight at the 12 o'clock position 3/4 inches to the edge of the rim based on A value. The functions of ALU 2 and ALU 3 are similar. Please see the details in the manual. Motorcycle balancing mode. You should combine with the motorcycle clamps of 1 and 2 and also use the extensive scale of the measure head. Assemble the measure extensive head on the handle of the scale to directly get the data of DIA and input the value of the DIA into the right window. Same to the car tire. Input the width and diameter of the motorcycle, and the clip weight of the weight is the same to car tire. Press the C key to achieve the conversion of gram to ounce. The weight key can achieve the final unbalancing value of the tire. Setup of the internal parameters and self-calibration. Press the programming key to enter the program setup window, and the sign will be displayed. Repeat pressing the up or down of the DI. It will show P, SP, APP, BIP, SET, UP repetitiously. In the state of SET, UP, press the confirm key and the display will show IN, TES, and continue pressing up and down key to enter CAL, and press confirm key to enter the self-calibration. CAL after enter confirmation. First, idle rotate and then add 100 gram of weight at the 12 o'clock position outside of the ram and complete the self-calibration. Keep holding on the weight key to enter the self-calibration program. Other function setups. Select the P function. Press confirm key. Select the up and down of the DI. You can turn on or turn off the function. And again, press the confirm key to confirm the exit. Other functions are executed the same. P. Protective hood function on, off. SP protective hood control function on, off. APP minimum unbalancing unit 1 or 5. BIP beeper on, off. Press plus of DIA to complete the operation of saving.